What's up, gamers? This video is for the little kids. Enjoy! What's up? Welcome to Gamer Time. Today, we are playing Pokemon! Pikachu! This is Pikachu! Oh no, can you not see him? Oh, Pikachu! And Bulbasaur. Oh, look at these Pokemon. They like float on me. Oh, sit right there, Bulbasaur. Bulba. Charmander. Char. Come, let's get going. Ooh. What's my birthday? Let's say January 1st, 1900. Does it let us go that far? Oh my gosh, we can be really old. 1901. Yes! Of course I agree. I want to play Pokemon! In order to... No, agree. I don't know how to play this. Let's find out how to play, okay? Oh, nice restaurant. Look at that. Eevee is going in the cafe with her master. Ooh, this looks like a lot of fun. Ooh, I'd like one. Yes, please. Charizard. Pancakes. Eevee likes that. Oh, it's just a memory. Oh, there's Eevee. What a nice little hat. Open the door to the great beyond. Head into the light. Oh, good morning, Leah. I'm ready to play. My name is not Pippin. My name is Gamer Time. And you'll address me as Gamer Time, if you know what's good for you. Okay. Yes. Alright. Gamer Time. Hey, nice to meet you too. This is my Eevee. And we're gonna skip the tutorials. We'll show you how to play. Oh, it's loading. Okay, let's whip something up. We're gonna make a bunch of yummy drinks. And I think what we do is we simply have to drag these icons to make combos. Ooh, that's why it's called Pokemon Mix. Mix. You gotta spin that Pokemon head in circles. Ooh. Oh, I got 31, 33. Oh, I got every single one. That's awesome. Okay, I think we know how to play. It says there's lots of Pokemon that want to help me complete my order. Order 1 calls for 10 Eevees. Ooh, get 10 Eevees, hurry! Yes, we did it. Ooh, an Eevee latte. Tap to continue. Our very first cafe latte. Yeah, I'm super excited. Where's mine? Bring me a latte! Wait, do I even drink lattes? No. Keep going. Looks really good, though. Ooh, yeah, we're all set. I want to play now. Baby Charmander! Oh! It's baby Charmander! Hey, Charmander, do you want a drink? Okay, Gamer Time's gonna feed you a drink. I think if we can get Charmander to be our friend, then Charmander will help us make some of our own drinks. Okay, Charmander, get to work. Okay, Charmander, we're gonna put him to work. So Charmander needs something to do. And here's another tip. She's gonna tell me that I can fill up my gauge by getting lots of combos, and then I get what's called a cafe skill. And that helps us make drinks even faster than before. Let's make one. Eevee! Got it. Cafe skill icon. Let's use it. We need to grab it and then release where we want it to explode. Oh, okay. That's simple enough. Let's do it. Right here. Let's do it. Oh, super. Order number 2's done. Yeah. Oh, feed the Charmander. Good. Oh, I'll move over here so you can see Eevee a little better. Okay. Oh, Charmander likes that. There you go. Oh, golden acorns are very, very valuable. Let's pick some up. Ooh, so if we make Charmander, I guess, get to level 3, he can help pick up orders for us. Let's do it. Who's that? Oh, our first visit. Yes, our next customer's ready. Minccino. Minccino wants a latte. Let's give her one. Remember, move the icon around to activate it. Ready? 10 Eevees, 10 Pikachus, and what's that? A megaphone? Ooh, I can't wait to use that. Let's do it. Let's do the megaphone right now. Let's get some Eevees and Pikachus. Bam! Oh, sweet. 9 Eevees coming up. Hey, 7 Pikachus coming up. Oh, we got 38 Pikachus. I think we're done. Yes! Good job. Ooh, you're so special. You get 85 acorns. Man, these Pokemon are like super hyped that we're helping them. Oh, new customer. Oh, it's the same Charmander. He's thirsty. He wants more. Order number 2 coming up. Oh, let's combine Squirtle and Pikachu. Yes. Put it right down here and boom. Yes, let's do it. Let's skip that and get the gauge right here. Hey! Oh, it was nice, but not nice enough. We need to get down there and free them again. We get Squirtle out? Ooh, not quite. Let's do this. Yeah! Combo time. Those Squirtles are still stuck. We need to free them. Can we break them now? Ooh, let's break this one right here. Boom! Okay, we got him out, and now let's get this Squirtle out. And then we can complete the drink. Yes! Orders up. Ooh, 50 acorns. Ooh, I think Charmander's super happy. Yes! Oh, who's this? First visit for Snubbull. Okay, Snubbull, here we go. Let's take Snubble's order. Ooh, Snubbull. Okay, let's get Snubbull to drink. Whoa! Let's get a high score, okay? 35,000 and 3 combos. Nice, and now let's go with Eevee. Ooh, got a combo. And now let's link 10. Oh, lots of Squirtles. I get them all in time. Ooh, nice. And now let's combine. Hey, we're done. Whoa, the domino effect is real. Hey, Snubbull's happy. So I think it's about time I offered some new drinks. Yeah, I think everyone's tired of lattes. Oh, our spice cabinet just expanded. Our tea shelf was added to the cafe. That's a great upgrade. Yes, we can now add some sugar cubes and more. Okay, let's cook up a tea, shall we? Order 6. Yeah, let's combine some of those combos. And it says that we can put a combo next to sugar cube. 3 times will clear it. That means destroy the sugar with 3 combos. Let's do it. Okay, let's do Eevees first. Combine them around the ice, and then hold your finger. Boom, release. 5,000 points. Let's do the Pikachus now. Come on, Pika! Ooh, that was a good one. And now let's go with Squirtle. Squirtle, down here. Bam! And now I'm gonna do this. Let's get this in here. Break, break, break. Yes. Yes, only one ice cube remains. Let's do this. Let's do the megaphone. Awesome. And let's finish it off. Yes, we did it. Ta-da! So this game's pretty fun. You have to search for combinations, and you have to make your guests happy by getting the orders done quickly. Oh, friendship bonus, now active. Join the cafe, Char, yeah! You still over there, Char? He's a regular, so he can't get enough of this, so he's gonna work with us. Friendship bonus! Yes. Let's try one with Charmander real quick. Ooh, friendship bonus. Yeah, let's do it. Order 7. Ooh, we need a high score of 12,000. Ooh, what should I go for? I see lots of Eevees. Let's go for those. Oh no, I forgot to release near the ice cubes. My bad. Let's do Pikachu's. Bam, break those. And then let's do Megaphone. Let's break these. Got 3 of them, sweet. And now let's get Squirtle. Put him in the middle, break all 3. Yes! Togepi, come to me! Togepi, Togepi. Excellent. Ooh, I know just what to do with that. Combine these and launch it. Bam! We done? Oh yeah. Woohoo! We got it. Oh, that looks delicious. Yes. Charmander, yes. Yes. What's he gonna do? What you gonna do, Charmander? What you gonna do? Say thank you? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, he can join our staff. Come on over. Yes! Charmander has joined the staff. Yes, we got 2. We've got 2 Pokemon working with us. Eevee and Charmander. Yes! Should we do one more game? Let's do one more game. One more. Of course! Let's whip up something for Charmander right now. 8 orders. Oh. Actually, let's do 2 more. It says 2 orders are outstanding. Let's click on Eevee's head. And then let's click on our new friend and make Charmander the leader of drinks. Yes, let's do it. Let's get Charmander busy in the kitchen. Oh, it looks like Snubble wants something. Okay, Snubble. I hope you enjoy this new Charmander special. Oh, you can fill the cafe skill gauge faster if your leader Pokemon specialty matches what we're working. So does it? It must. 20,000. Ooh, I like this. Charmander, I choose you! Yes! Ooh, let's wait till there's another combo circle, and then we'll release them together. Sweet. Oh, I like the megaphone. Let's go with Pikachu's. Pika! Ooh, I know just what to do with these. Snubbles, put him here. Yes! And now combine these. Whoa! Oh, this is huge, watch. Oh, fire! Yes! Excellent! We got it. Oh, we have more to do? Maybe we didn't hit the high score. Let's do it again. Oh, it's just loading. Yes! Order's up. Ooh, this is fun. I still want the cafe to get larger, though. It seems like a small cafe. I only see 1 table with Snubble. We're getting more customers. Yes, I agree. Let's expand the cafe. Let's get more Pokemon in here. Party in the Poke Cafe. Party in the Poke Cafe. Woohoo! Let's expand it. Oh, we need these guys to help us. What are their names? What Pokemon are these? Ooh, let's find out. 1 order left. Here you can check Pokemon Cafe items. Okay. What's this one? Oh, T-shelf. Our next upgrade will be Cafe extension. Okay. Let's do it. Let's fulfill the last order. Minccino, prepare to get served. Let's activate these combos. Let's go. Charmander, I choose you. Release him right between 2 ice cubes. Ooh, we got 3. And who's this bunny? Who's this bunny character? I don't even know. Yes, I got the one. And then who's this green Pokemon? I don't know some of these new ones. Oh, they're all new since I was a kid. Let's see. Ooh, what should we go for? Snubbull, we choose you. Yeah, good combo. Yes. And let's go Charmander. Oh, whoops, I released too soon. Make sure you always keep your finger on the screen. Don't go off. Let's do, I'm gonna go with the combo. Mega Block. I have made fire and I got megaphone time. I'm gonna do this. Release. Yes. With 3 moves left, I finished. Order's up. Hope you enjoy your tea, Minccino. Can we now expand the cafe? That'd be great if we could. Timber, yeah, can you help expand the cafe? Of course they can. Work, work, work. Work, work, work. Woohoo! The cafe got a new area. Sweet! And a new Pokemon can come visit us now. Yes! Leah, this looks great. The cafe looks amazing. Tell the Timbers we're so happy. Okay, we'll continue working together. Yes! Whoa, let's check out the daily stamp board. Woohoo! We got a golden acorn. Whoa, so if we log in regularly, and if you play this game often, you can get rewarded for your participation. Sweet! So log on for 5 days. Pikachu will join your staff. Log in any 10 days and you'll get a tasty tart. Yes, they reward you for being an active gamer. So should we shop? Nah, I'm gonna not shop for now. Exit the mailbox. Ah, so if you pay some money, they'll give you some more upgrades. No, let's just play for free. Mom and Dad will appreciate that. Okay, well, that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed this Pokemon Mix Cafe game. See more to come later. Remember to like and subscribe and click that bell notification at the bottom of your screen for more videos.